Welcome to my review video on combining like terms. So earlier in the year, we learned to combine like terms. So I have three examples to review this topic. So remember in like terms, okay, they have to have the same variable in order to be like terms, or they both have to be integers or numbers, okay? So look at this first one. We have 7 minus 12x minus 9 plus 5x. So the first number I see here is 7. Okay, and I also see another number here. I see a 9. And there's a minus sign in front of it. So when I do this, I have to do 7 minus 9. And 7 minus 9 is negative 2. Okay, now I have another set of like terms. I have minus 12x and plus 5x. Now, because there's a minus sign in front of this 12x, that means that that is negative 12x. So when I combine these two, I'm going to say negative 12x plus 5x. And negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7. Okay? And because it's negative, I can just write minus 7x. I could also write plus negative 7x. It's the same thing, but when you get to algebra, you will see plus negative, you will see minus. So negative 2 minus 7x. Now, standard math practice would say that the 7x would come first. So let me show you how to have that come first. So all I would do is take care of the x's first. So I would once again look at this as negative 12x plus 5x. So I would say that that's negative 7x. And then 7 minus 9 is negative 2. So instead of writing plus negative 2, I would just write minus 2. Okay? Both these answers are correct. You only have to have one of them. And this one right here is considered standard math practice where you put the one with the variable first. Okay? Number 2. We have 12 minus 3 times x minus 7. Now notice when we have a number in front of parentheses that it signals distributive property, so we have to do the distributive property first. So we have 12. We have a minus sign in front of the 3. So when we distribute this, we are really distributing a negative 3 because a minus sign in front of a number or variable signals that it's negative. So we can write minus 3x. And now we have negative 3 times negative 7 because there's a minus sign in front of this 7. So a negative times a negative is a positive. So positive 21. Now I could have wrote minus negative 21, but minus negative 21 is the same as adding positive 21. So that's why I wrote plus 21 there. Okay, now I'm going to combine like terms. So we have 12 plus 21, and 12 plus 21 is 33 minus 3x. Now remember, standard math practice, the x would come first, so let me show you the other way to write this. So we would combine the x's first, and since there's a minus sign in front of this 3x, it'd be negative 3x. And then 12 plus 21 is 33. So both of these are correct, but this one would be standard practice. And later on, you're going to see that this is ordered by degree, and you'll learn degrees when you get to algebra and beyond. Okay, number 3. We have negative 5 times x plus 7 minus 12. So we see number in front of parentheses, so we need to do the distributive property first. So negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative 5 times 7 is negative 35. So I could write plus negative 35, but I'm going to write minus 35 so we don't get confused, and then minus 12. Okay. Now, combine like terms. Now, I don't have any x's to combine, so I just have negative 5x. And then I have a minus sign in front of the 35, so that's negative 35 minus 12, which is negative 47. I could write plus negative 47, but the best way to write it is minus 47. And this is my final answer, and it is in standard math practice already, where the variable comes first. So either way is correct when we are writing this, but in the future, this is going to be the best way, or the way that you're going to be used to seeing it. Okay, that concludes our review on combining like terms. So you are going to get on IXL, and you are going to work on R13, R14, and R16 in that order, and you will be in 7th grade on the IXL strands. Have a great day.